Alright, welcome to Sharpening Your Knife Tutorial 101. This is my drawer where I keep all my knives and my sharpeners. Let's do this guy. It's kind of like a short fish knife, slicing knife. I'll just take out this. Alright, so what you want to do, and check the grit. 400 is used for big polishing mostly, and 1000 is just general maintenance. Because you do need 2 hands to be able to do this. Probably grab, these are all my cookbooks. Let's grab a few of these. Maybe. How's that? No? How's that? So, what I'm gonna do is get like a sponge of some sort. So if you don't have that, just use this. Water. It's also kind of nice to put a towel down. Like that. And just pour the water on, make sure it looks good. And so a couple different rules of thought, but the main thing is for most knives you want to keep it even on both sides, so that the tip meets the middle. Again, not all knives are like that. So I always like to sharpen, I guess, with the right hand and my left hand as the guide. Some people switch that up too, but so I'm going to start with the left side face here. What you want to do is you want to start with the bottom right corner right here, and as you go, work your way to this side, and you're also going to apply a little bit of force and come back like that. Nice even strokes like that. Make sure this is secured in. See, I'm going. It doesn't matter how fast you go. It just matters about using the same amount of pace in your knife. Fast, forth. Notice I'm using the whole length of the blade. 1, 2. Some people also, there's millions of techniques, of course, too. Some people like to, depending on the knife, start in one spot and just go back and forth, and then work their way down the knife. It's not a bad way to do it. I just kind of like to use the motion of the ocean. I used to use a combination. If your tip's what really needs a lot of work, start like that. But then you go back. It gets easier with practice. When I first started, I was using a timer actually, so that I would know that I would do 7 minutes on one side, 7 minutes on the other side, exactly even. But as you get better, you'll start to realize that it's just done when it's done, kind of. So that was the away side. That was the left side of my knife. So now I'm going to face the knife towards me. And it's sort of the same concept. I start with the back of the knife there, and I end with the tip right here on the bottom side. So when I'm facing the knife toward me, I start right here, and I get this side, and I bring it down to this side. This side, this side. Again, you could also, work your way, but And I'm not applying too much pressure with either hand. I probably have about around 5 pounds of pressure on either side. You're not jamming it either. You're just letting it lightly glide along the surface of the stone. If you go too hard, you're going to break something or hurt someone, and you're going to damage your knife also. So you just do it really lightly and keep that going. You know, it's always good to come back with some more water. I recommend having a sponge or something. And you can go, you know, work your way down like I did the last one. Always front and back, vertical and horizontal. And it's decently sharp. You can shave the hairs on your fingers. Then you know it's good. See a little patch there. And then, of course, you know, what I would really do also is hit it with the 600 and then strop it and then all that, but that's just the general version.